is Ása and I'm a local photographer. And today I will be going on a very exciting day trip from Reykjavík and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Only 15 minutes out of the city we will find the beautiful Reykjanes Peninsula. This area is incredibly stunning and everywhere you look you will see signs of old volcanic activities such as lava fields, geothermal areas and lakes. These places are perfect to visit before heading to the volcanic eruption, which is actually my next stop. Next stop is the volcano. Getting closer to the volcano area. Just need to find the parking and then start to walk the trail. The hiking trail actually starts here. It's about 5 kilometers to get into the volcano. So it's gonna take me like 1 hour to hike there. The volcano is changing every day. And if we're lucky, we are gonna see some incredible lava flow and spewing volcanoes. So after a challenging hike, I'm heading to the Blue Lagoon and it's just the perfect place to relax in that geothermal hot water after a busy day. This is so nice! So I am back in Reykjavík city after an incredible day of exploring the Reykjanes Peninsula. It's been a full-on day and I think I'm ready to go on a restaurant and grab a nice dinner and then call it a day.